Hindi ganon kalinis ang kwarto. The room is not that clean. Kilala mo ba ako? Do you know me? Kailangan kita. I need you. Akala ko iyon ay totoo. I thought that was true. Nagsasabi ka ba ng totoo? Are you telling the truth? Magkano ang kinita mo ngayong araw? How much did you earn today? Bakit mo ginawa yon? Why did you do that? Hindi ko na kailangan yon. I don't need that anymore. Gusto kong magkaroon ng maraming pera. I want to have a lot of money. Lagi ka na lang ganyan. You're always like that. Kasama yon sa plano. That's included in the plan. Masaya akong narinig yon. I'm glad to hear that. Huwag mong hayaang mangyari yon sa'yo. Don't let that happen to you.